Hey, what's up everybody? This is Alan with Damn Good Reviews. So today we're going to check this thing out here. It's the InvoSpa Kneading Massager, model number JC-668. Pretty cool. Take a look in the box and plug it in. Check it out, see what it's all about. Kind of cool. It's like one of those shiatsu massagers, and supposedly you can put it around your neck, around your waist. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. This for about $60 or $70 online. Ooh, cool. $60 or $70 online. You know, you've seen some of the other back massagers that you sit on, or some of the chairs, but this is good because it could be portable, and supposedly comes with a power supply that you can plug into the wall, or also one that you can plug into DC, like a car outlet, which is cool. So there you go. There's the DC outlet. Nice to have. Our power. Now it's not battery power, you know, or it doesn't have rechargeable batteries, so you always have to power it somehow. And then we have our getting started manual. Got all our cool logos on the back there. Different languages, talks about the different, we have control panel features, how to use it, your safety features, things like that. So we'll check that out. And that's pretty cool. Here, so you can see it right in the box. Actually comes with a travel bag. I love when they give you things with travel bags. There's so many products these days. They give you everything, and either they give you a travel bag and it doesn't fit all the stuff that it comes with, like the manual. What am I supposed to do with that? Or they don't give you any bag, and then you got to figure it out on your own. This is actually a nice little travel duffel bag. Kind of cool. Oh, sweet. Cool looking color here. Oh, it's pretty big. So, this is the kneading massager. This is quite big. Holy cow. So, you got the little ball things here that move around, supposedly. We'll check that out. And this is almost like a very, very soft. It's not leather, but it feels like it. Really, really soft padding to it. Got our power. Got our controls there. That's what it looks like. We got power. It looks like a motion control, speed, and then it also has heat, which is really cool. So, no idea how to do this. Looks like maybe it goes like that. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. We're gonna try it and see what it's like. But I don't. It's like a zipper on it. Just to maybe clean something. Let's see here. Here's a zipper. There's a zipper there, and zipper there. But there's no actual zipper. It's tucked away in there somewhere. I guess maybe that's to clean it. I'm not really sure, because this is completely together, but you'll see the zipper line. So that's kind of interesting. I don't know why that's there, but this doesn't come apart. So I don't see a way to like snap it on. Looks like if I do it on my neck, I gotta maybe do it like this. That way you can put as much pressure. I guess I can kind of work at the desk like a raptor a little bit. All right, well, let me go ahead and plug it in. See what the hell happens here. Ooh. All right, got this. Don't need that. Another power supply. Never have enough power supplies laying around. Great. Alright. Seems like it has plenty of cable there. Plug it in. Alright. Wow, this thing is pretty big. Alright. So I got it on like that. Check that out. Oh. Kind of feel like an alien a little bit. Look at that. I feel like something. That's some crazy movie. Oh, it feels good though. So, again, there's no way to let it sit by itself. Even if I do it like this. Not really. It wants to choke you. So, kind of got. Oh, so that way, if you can put more pressure on your back. Oh, that feels good, but probably makes it hard to do other work. Oh. That's nice. It's really nice. So yeah, so that's the speed function there. Looks like 3 speeds. And then I can put on heat. Oh, I can already feel it kind of working and loosening some those tight muscles back there. It's good to have right at the desk to see that. So when I turn on the heat, that looks like the heat function there when they lit up. So heat's off now, and we got our different, we can turn it different ways. Pretty cool. So then it also shows in the book you can do, let's see, it says upper back, mid back, lower back, thighs, waist, shoulder, and arms. So that's kind of cool. So really, if I wanted to do that, just like that there. But again, you got to hold it. It's kind of weird. It doesn't have a clip where you can tighten it. I would like to see that. But we're going to go ahead. I'm going to check this out a little bit more, use it, and then of course you can check out my final takeaway and review in the review video. So there it is. That's the InvoSpa Kneading Massager, and that's what's in the box. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.